guys! Hope everyone is well. So for today's video, mag-unbox tayo with this DJI OSMO Mobile 6, the latest gimbal stabilizer. I really need this one because as you can see on my previous videos, my hands was shaking. And if you don't mind asking, we got this one in Virgin Mega Store like almost a month ago. But due to hectic schedule and I wasn't feeling well, so I didn't get a chance to unbox this one. So today I will show you what's inside in this box. So join with me